Welcome back to our channel. If you like making money online, this is the channel for you. Make sure to subscribe at the conclusion of this video so you can start earning money. If you have not yet subscribed, click the subscribe button and switch on notifications to be notified whenever I post a new and exciting approach for generating money online. So let's get started. In this video, I will be sharing with you on how to make money online by just copy and pasting pictures using a free website. I'll explain exactly how this works, and if you stick with me until the end, you'll be able to make a lot of money. Before we start, please give this video a big thumbs up if you like making money online so we can reach 100 likes as quickly as possible. Also, turn on notifications by hitting the bell icon. Comment down below and share what your favorite way to make money online is so I can make more of those types of videos. Earn over $1,000 just by copying and pasting other people's photos for free. This can be done over and over for an unlimited amount of time, implying that you can build a sustainable and reliable income just from this one website alone. And it can be done by pretty much anyone because it requires no website, no tax scales, no equipment, and no investment. Plus, it works worldwide. Everything will be discussed step by step, so be sure to pay attention and follow along. So, how does this work? You simply copy images from this and another website, paste them on the third platform that I'm about to discuss with you inside of this video, and that's exactly how you'll get money. Because it's so simple, you can do it using your laptop, computer, or even your smartphone device. It's very simple. All you have to do is go to these platforms, download a few images, and then re-upload them on the third website, which I'll tell you about later in this video. It's quite simple, but you must follow each and every step because I'll give you some bonuses and teach you how to maximize your results if you stick with me until the conclusion of this video. Now, the first platform we'll use is called Unsplash.com. This is over at Unsplash.com, a platform that we've never talked about on this channel. But don't worry because I'll show you how to utilize it in detail. And the second website that you can use to download photos and images is called PNGtree.com. If you use both of these websites, you can make more money because the more images and different photos you have, the more different photos you can copy and the more different photos you can post on a third website. And the more money you can make. First, go to Unsplash.com and look for the search bar where you can type in different keywords. When you type in a keyword in a search bar, you'll get a lot of different images that you can download for free. And all of the photos in this website will give you full rights. You can either go through all of these different categories like architecture, current events, experimental, fashion, film, health and wellness, interiors, nature, people, street photography, and find different photos that look really nice. Or you can simply think of some keywords and type them into the search bar to download different photos. For example, let's say you want to find different dog photos. Of course, you can do whatever keyword you want and it will all make sense in a minute. So stay tuned until the end of the video to see why we are actually doing this. Let's say I like this photo right here. What I can do is click on this icon right here with the arrow pointing down and it will download the image to my computer for free, which I can then use on the third platform to make money. Now, before I show you the third platform where you can actually paste those photos and collect, let me show you first another platform where you can actually paste those photos and earn money. PNGtree.com is the address once more. This is a little different because you can't find real-life images on here, but you can find graphics and transparent icons, which may be even better and allow you to make even more money. So go to PNGtree.com and it pretty much works the same way. You can either browse different categories or type in the keyword right here. So I'll use the keyword once more. Let's say I like this image right here. All I have to do is click on the PNG button right here, this green button over here, and it will take me to the next page where I can take a closer look at the image and download it to my computer by clicking on the download PNG button right here. How do you make money from that? Well, you'll need to use the third website I mentioned at the start of this video, which is called Redbubble.com. Before we continue, don't forget to like this video, click the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new and exciting videos about earning new money-making strategies online. What is Redbubble? It's a website where you can create your own designs for various items such as masks, t-shirts, stickers, pillows, posters, phone cases, and various types of clothing. But how do you make money from it? Once you upload your design to the website, Redbubble will print your design on all of these different items. People who visit redbubble.com can buy these items with your design on them, and when they do, you will be credited a certain amount of money, which can range from $5 to $15 depending on the items they buy. No, you don't need to stock all of these items. Do not need an inventory, do not need to ship anything, and do not need to print anything. Stay tuned with me if you want to maximize your results and obtain even more sales and earn even more money. Therefore, go to redbubble.com and click on Sell Your Art right here. This button right here. Click on that and it will take you to this page where you can learn more about how this works. Of course, you can go through it and read more about it, but I don't want to make this video too long, so I'm just going to get right to the point and show you exactly what needs to be done. So you go to this page and you click on Start Selling This button right here. That will take you to this page where you can learn more about how this works. Simply click on Artist Sign Up right here. Enter your email address, create a unique username for your account, and create a password for your account. And then click Sign Up. And you've created a brand new account. Once you've created your account, this is how it'll look once you log into the dashboard. As you can see, you can add designs, create your own shop, and so on. I know you're probably wondering right now, who's going to buy your designs if you don't have an audience, no followers, no subscribers, and you're a complete beginner? But don't worry, because if I pull up my tool right here called SimilarWeb, it'll show you that this website alone has over 30 million monthly visits. So let's go with that. As you can see, there are a lot of people from top-tier countries buying items from this website. In fact, 43 of them are from United States, the United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, and Germany. People from all over the world are buying items from this website. So all you have to do is come over here and paste your designs. And you have the potential to reach over 30 million people in a single month. But for now, I'd like you to return to the dashboard and click on Add Designs right here so you can sign up for everything. Simply double check on the image that we previously downloaded to our computer from the first two websites and wait for it to load. As you can see, this is my image right here. This is the PNG icon that I previously downloaded, and here I can see how it works on various items such as phone cases, stickers, dresses, t-shirts, pillows, and more. Of course, if I want to edit this out, for example, so that they don't see that it was designed by PNG3, I can do so by clicking the edit button right here. I may also include several photos. I can add multiple icons, different tags to different colors. You can customize literally everything and play around with different designs. And once you're done, just give your design a title, a few tags so people can find it on redbubble.com. And you can give it a description. Describe your work to get your audience excited. After you're done, I recommend that you upload as many designs as possible. Change and customize them and play around with them. Don't just publish one and expect to make thousands of dollars. It obviously doesn't work that way. You'll need to put in some time to upload different designs and multiple designs until you start making money from Redbubble. Of course, don't forget to fill out your payment details right here so they can remind you about that. However, you want to get paid so that when you make a sale, you can instantly collect your profits now to maximize your results and to get a sale quickly to start making money faster. I recommend you share your design on various social media platforms. For example, what you can do is share your design on Facebook. As you can see, this is the page where people can buy items with your design. And what I recommend you to do is copy this link and go to Facebook and search for groups related to design. For example, if your design features a dog, you can type in dog lovers and sort by groups, which will give you thousands of different groups with hundreds of members. Some of them might end up buying items with your design on them because it's proven that they're interested and that they love that niche. So you can join all of these different groups and simply start sharing your Redbubble designs with them so that they can buy from you and you can collect your profits. And as you can see, it's that simple. So to summarize, you can create your designs using PNG Tree and Unsplash.com. Then sign up for Redbubble, upload your designs, publish them, grab your link, and share it on other social media platforms if you want to maximize your result. But if you want to rely solely on organic Redbubble traffic, it's fine. You don't have to share your links and can simply wait for organic traffic. Just wait for people to come across your designs and buy from you. Of course, you'll make less money this way and it'll take you longer to obtain your first sale, but it'll be a lot easier and involve a lot less effort. That is it for this video. I hope you found it useful. I hope you learned something today and liked our tutorial video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, subscribe to this channel with notifications turned on so you won't miss out on any of our new content. Thank you very much for watching until the end, and I hope to see you on our future videos.